Welcome back to another video of Veranda Malayalam. Last video we have discussed about the powers, indices and SURDS, right? In that we have discussed lot of shortcut, and today it's a continuation. That is, today what we are going to discuss is some questions from the powers, indices and SURDS related question. Then very important, arrange the SURDS in ascending order, descending order. How we can arrange the SURDS in the ascending order, descending order, right? So based on that, SURDS in the ascending order, descending order in SSC exams, railway exam, continuously they are asking question, right? That shortcut also we will discuss today, right? Now, first important thing is, that is, already we know the concepts, right? A power m into a power n means we know a to the power m plus n, that we know. Now listen, next important concept is root given root a. Root a means, shall we write it as a to the power 1 by 2? Root a means, shall we write it as a to the power 1 by 2? Yes. Then cube root of a. Cube root of a means, we can write it as a to the power 1 by 3. A to the power 1 by 3, right? Root a means we can write it as a to the power 1 by 2. Cube root means we can write it as a to the power 1 by 3, right? Then a power 5, that is root of 5. That means we can write it as a to the power 1 by 5. That's all, a to the power 1 by 5. Clear? Now, next basic concept is, that is a minus 1. Power is in minus means, what is the concept? 1 by a. 1 by a to the power 1. When power is in minus, 1 by a to the power 1. Now a power is minus 2. The power is minus 2. Indice is minus 2. Therefore, how we can write this? 1 divided by a square. We can change the power into positive, but we can take a number as 1 by, right? So this is first important basic, then next important thing, right? Now one different question. See, one different question, that is 2 plus 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 3, 2 square plus 2 cube is equal to what? This is the question. Now, base same, multiplication means what we did? A into a to the power m and n means multiplication what we did? We write a and we can add the powers. But here it is not in multiplication. See carefully, not in multiplication, addition. Here how we have to solve is, we have to find the values and add, right? Listen, 2 to the power minus 1, shall we write it as 1 by 2 to the power 1? Shall we write it as 1 by 2 to the power 1, right? Plus 2 to the power minus 3 means, shall we write it as 1 divided by 2 to the power cube, 2 cube, right? Plus 2 square is there, plus 2 cube is there, that's all. Clear this? Now what is the value of this? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 plus 4 plus 8. Clear? Therefore, normal addition is there, some values are fraction. Therefore, we have to solve this. Denominator 8, LCM 8. Therefore, 8 we are taking means, here we can say 4 times plus 1 plus, here 8 plus 4 plus 8 is what? 12. Therefore, 8 12s are 96. 8 12s are 96. Right? Therefore, what we can say? 5 plus 96, 101 divided by 8. 101 divided by 8. 101 divided by 8, mixed fraction we want to convert means, what we can do? That is 12 8s are 96, 12 8s are 96, then plus 5, 101 divided by 8. Clear? This is the method. Plus is there, this is the approach. Multiplication only we can apply the shortcut product rule, division rule, that we can apply. Addition means normally find the value and add, right? Now ascending order, descending order. The SURDS we have to arrange in ascending order, descending order means, see, listen, 2 square and 3 square. Which is highest? Definitely we know 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 3 square is highest, we know. Now root 2, root 3, which is highest? This also we know very well, this value highest. This is 1.4, this is 1.7, therefore this value is highest, we know very well, clear? When powers are same, we can able to say the result quickly, right? But square, cube, it is okay, we can able to say. But 2 is not a perfect square also, 3 is not a perfect square also. In case in a number they are saying 6, here root 4, like that they have given. 6 is not a perfect square. Root 4 we have to take. How we can solve the question? And we have to find out largest, smallest, ascending, descending, we have to find out. For that, what is the technique is, listen. So here we take an example, right? We take an example. For example, we have taken root, that is 3 root 4, 3 root 4, right? And here 4 root 3, 4 root 3. Clear? Now here we have to find out which is largest, which is smallest. Clear? Now this root 4, shall we write it as 3 to the power 1 by 4? Shall we write it as 3 to the power 1 by 4? Right. Now this cube root, shall we write it as 4 to the power 1 by 3? 4 to the power 1 by 3? Yes. Now what is the technique? What is the technique? What is shortcut is? We have to make the power same. We have to make the power same. For that, denominator portion in the power, we have these powers, right? The powers are 1 by 4, comma 1 by 3. See the denominator alone. See the denominator alone. 4 is the denominator, 3 is the denominator. For this denominator, take LCM. Clear? For this denominators, take LCM. 4 and 3. What is the LCM of 4 and 3? LCM of 4 and 3 is nothing but 12. Clear? Now we have to make this power, we have to make this 4 as 12. We have to make this 3 as 12. We got the LCM 12. Now we have to make this 4 into 12. We have to make this 3 convert into 12. What we can do? When we multiply this 4 into 3 times, we get the number LCM 12. Right? When we multiply 4 for this value 3, we get the number 12. Clear this? Right? But they are in the fraction, 4 alone we can't multiply, numerator also we have to multiply. See, next step what we have to do is, that is 1 by 4, here convert this into LCM, therefore into 3. Denominator alone we can't do, numerator also we have to multiply with 3. Right? Same way, 4 to the power, this into 4 times, 3 into 4 times. Now what is the value we are having? That is 3 to the power 3 by 12, comma 4 to the power 4 by 12. We are having a value 3 to the power 3 by 12, 4 to the power 4 by 12. Right? Now next how we can solve? How we can solve is, listen, 3 to the power 3 by 12, shall we take it as 3 cube, and outside shall we take this 1 by 12? Clear? The numerator power we are applying here, 3 cube. That is 3 by 12, I am taking 3 inside, 3 cube. Then 1 by 12 alone I am taking separately, 1 by 12. Same concept, 4, this power, 4 to the power 4, 4 to the power 4, we are taking here and we take a value 1 by 12, 1 by 12. Now power becomes same, 1 by 12, 1 by 12, power becomes same. Now by seeing this number, we can say 3 cube is what? 27. 3 cube is what? 27, 1 by 12. Then 4 to the power 4 is what? 4 to the power 4 is 256. Right? 4 to the power 4 is what? 256. Clear? Now that 256 power 1 by 12. Now listen, 27 1 by 12, 256 1 by 12. Which is greater? Higher number, same power, higher number is greater. Therefore, this is greater. So this is the method, right? This is the method. But once we understand the method means we can do fastly. What we can do? That is, this root 4 is nothing but 3 to the power 1 by 4. Root 3 is nothing but 4 to the power 1 by 3. Now, this power 1 by 4, 1 by 3, for the denominators we have to take LCM, 12. And we have to make that power into that LCM. Therefore, 4 into 3 we can take, here 3 into 4 we can take. Numerator also same concept, into 3 into 4. Then finally, that cube we are taking inside, 4 we are taking inside, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. Now we can compare, we can say the answer, this value greater. Therefore, what we can say, that is cube root of 4 is greater than 4th root of 3, like that we can say. Clear? Yes. Now, next question, right? Next question, see the question. So, it is an CGL tier 1 question. It is one of the previous year CGL tier 1 question, right? CGL tier 1 question, if the numbers cube root of 9, comma, 20 root 4, comma, 25 root 6, right? Now, we have to find out them in the ascending order, right? Arranged in ascending order. Clear? Then the right arrangement is, right? How we can solve the question, right? So, first thing, 9 cube root, therefore, we can write it as 9 1 by 3. 24th root, we can write it as 20 to the power 1 by 4. 25, 6th root, therefore, we can take it as 1 by 6, right? Now, next step what we can do, LCM of which number? Power denominator LCM. 3, 4, 6. What is LCM? 12. What is LCM? 12. Now, make this number into 12. Therefore, first we are multiplying by 4. 1 into 4, 4, 3 into 4, 12. Okay. Next value, 20 into 3 times, that is 3 divided by 12. Everything became 12, make it into 12. Because LCM of 3, 4, 6, LCM is what? 12. That concept we are working out. Clear? Now 25 and 12 means what we can take? 2 divided by 12. 2 divided by 12. Now take the power inside and take 1 by fraction alone outside. That is 9 to the power 4 to the power of 1 by 12, comma 20 cube to the power of 1 by 12, comma 25 square to the power of 1 by 12. Now 9 power 4, what is the value? 9 power 4 is what? 9 power 4? 9 power 4 we know, 20 cube is what? 8000. 20 cube is what? 8000, okay. 8000 to the power 1 by 12, and here 25 square is what? 625 power 1 by 12 is there. Then 9th power 4 is what? 9 cube we know very well, 729. 9 power 4 is what? We know 729. 729 into 4 times, sorry 729 into 9 times, right? Therefore, 729 into 9 times means what is the value? 6000 something. Clear? We will have a value, right? 6000 some value we will have. Therefore, what we can do? This is smallest. 625 is the smallest. Then we have 6000 something, that value is the smallest. Then this 8000 next value. Therefore, we can say that is 25, that is 25, this value root 6, 25 root 6 is less than, 25 root 6 is less than, next value is what? Is less than that 9. Clear? What they have given? 9 cube root. 9 cube root is less than that value 20 to the power 4. 20 to the power 4. Right? Like that we can arrange, and the ascending order is exactly matches with 4th option. Exactly CGL tier 1 question. Right? Quickly we can solve. We know the technique, we can solve easily. Right? Even though 9th to the power we are taking time means, we can, what we can do? 729 into 9. 729 into 9 is what? 7 into 9, 6300. Right? Again only 29 times of 9 only, anyway less than 8000. More than 625. Therefore, we can confirm the answer. That's all. Clear? Now, next question. Which is the largest among the numbers? Which is the largest among the numbers? That is, root 5 given, we can take 5 1 by 2, 7 1 by 3 we can take, cube root given, then 13 1 by 4 we can take, 13 1 by 4 we can take, right? Now we have to find the result. What we can do? 2, 3, 4, LCM is what? 12. Therefore, make the denominator into 12, therefore 5. Here 12 means we have to multiply with 6. Numerator also multiply with 6, 6 by 12. Clear? Again 7. 7 means what? 4 times, 4 divided by 12. Okay. Now 13 means what? 3 by 12. Right? Therefore, here we are having 5 power 6, to the power 1 by 2, then 7 power 4 to the power 1 by 12 and 13 cube to the power 1 by 12. Clear? Now out of this, which is the largest? That is 5 to the power 6, what is the value? 7 to the power 4, what is the value? 13 cube, what is the value? Then based on that, we can say which is the largest. Clear? Based on this, we can easily say which is the largest number. Clear? Right. Now, this question, how we can solve this question? 1 plus x by 144 is equal to 13 by 12. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Solve this. That is, inside root, we have 1 plus x by 144. Now, normally solve this plus. Therefore, 144 plus x divided by 144 is equal to 13 by 12. Now, one root or power, when a value is in fraction, we can apply for that. Clear? We can apply that root for this numerator also, denominator also. Therefore, listen, 144 root is actually 12. 144 root is actually 12. See, shall we take like this? 144 plus x, root of 144 plus x, root of 144 is equal to 13 by 12. This is actually matches 12. Clear? Therefore, 144 plus x, we need root is what? 13. What number we can choose? 144 plus which number we will get? 169. Yes. 144 plus which number we get? 169. That is the value of x. Clear? 144 plus 25, we will get a number 169. 144 plus 29, we get a number 169, which root is nothing but 13. Therefore, x value is what? 25. X value is what? 25. X value 25. Clear this? Clear? X value is what? 25. So, clear up to these questions, right? How to arrange ascending order, descending order, SHEIKs how we have to arrange, right? Then this type of finding x value, finding a particular value, how we can solve, right? So, 144 plus x divided by root of 144 is equal to 13 by 12. Now, root we can apply for this value also, this value also. Root 144 is 12. 144 plus which number we get? That root value is exactly is equal to 13. Therefore, when we substitute instead of x, when we take 25, that is 144 plus 25 is nothing but 169. Right, 169. 169 root is what? Exactly matches with 13. Therefore, we can say the result is 25. Result is what? 25. X value is what? 25. Clear? Now, Veranda race provides 6-level practice method for all the students. That is, first complete syllabus oriented class, then mentorship, practice circle, then extreme circle. After the practice circle, students are taken for the extreme circle, extreme level practice, then super batch, then lab facilities is provided, then for interview guidance classes and mock interviews, right? And for admissions, for offline batches you can contact this number, and online batches you can contact this number, right? Thank you all, thank you, meet you in the next session.